Accessibility Guidelines. Lesson Plan for Accessibility Fundamentals, WCAG. By EduPro.
How to meet WCAG, Part 4. Level A, Principle 4, Robust. Guideline 4.1, Compatible. 4.1.1 Parsing. Make sure the markup takes the following things into consideration. Each element has a distinct id. Element opening and closing tags are correct. The nested items are correct. There are no duplicate attributes for elements. Use distinct IDs. Elements should be nested according to their requirements. Avoid duplicate attributes. Make sure your HTML contains both start and end tags. 4.1.2 Name, role, value. For user interface components, verify that name, status, role, and value are provided and properly exposed to user agents and assistive technologies. As much as possible, use native HTML components. Way ARIA properties should be used when creating custom component widgets. Make sure custom widgets may be operated on the keyboard by using the spacebar or enter. Custom widgets should have tab index equals 0 to obtain tab focus. Make it a habit to read the ARIA requirements so that you are aware of the implications and results of employing ARIA roles, states, and attributes. Thank you and please stay tuned for the next lesson.